Hello everyone, it is Tegan at Upcycling Adventures, and today I have a very quick craft, an upcycling type craft that is holiday themed. I'm going to show you how to make bat cutouts for your windows using cereal boxes. Very simple, but it's nice to be able to reuse something instead of buy something new. I know you can probably pick these up incredibly cheap somewhere, but this way you can be a creator and not a consumer. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple. Okay, to make this simple bat to put in your window, you're not going to need very much. You're going to need a cereal box, a template, I will put the link down below, some black craft paint, a paintbrush or foam brush, scissor, and pencil. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's super simple. We're going to trace our template onto our cereal box. Ah! It's okay. There we go. We have a bat. Now, we're just going to cut it out. All right, we have it cut out now. So now we're going to paint it. Starting with the shiny side where it has printing. Squirt some black paint out onto surface. And just paint. It's going to take more than one coat, depending on your paint. And now I'm going to let that dry and paint another coat. Okay, this coat is dry. I'm going to put on another coat gently. Now I'm going to let this dry. All right, I ended up doing 3 coats on this side. Now you just flip it over and do the same on the back. And then you'll end up with this, which you are ready to tape up in your window and enjoy both from the inside and outside of your home. All right. I hope that that was a helpful little tutorial. Obviously, it's not complicated. You could have figured it out by yourself, but you know, it's nice just to think about things differently maybe. Instead of thinking, oh, I'm going to pick up those from the Dollar Tree, think, oh, why don't I make some out of my recycling bin? So anyway, I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, which I don't know what type of questions you could have, please leave them below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.